Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Fitbit Luxe Watch. First, let's power on your device by connecting it to the charging cable. Once charged, swipe up, down, left, or right on the vibrant AMOLED display to navigate through your daily stats, notifications, and apps. A single tap selects an option, while a double tap often returns you to the clock face. This intuitive interface makes accessing your essential information straightforward and quick. Your Fitbit Luxe automatically tracks your steps, distance, and calories burned throughout the day. It also provides continuous heart rate monitoring, 24 hours a day, giving you valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. To track a specific workout, simply swipe to the Exercise app, select your activity from over 20 modes, and tap to start. This ensures accurate data for all your fitness endeavors, helping you reach your goals. Understanding your sleep patterns is crucial for overall well-being. Your Luxe tracks your sleep stages, light, deep, and REM, and provides a personalized sleep score each morning. For stress management, utilize the guided breathing sessions available directly on your wrist. You can also set silent alarms that gently vibrate to wake you up, ensuring a peaceful start to your day without disturbing others. These features support a balanced lifestyle. Personalize your Fitbit Luxe by choosing from a variety of stylish watch faces directly through the Fitbit app on your phone. You can also customize which notifications you receive, ensuring you only get the alerts that matter most to you, whether it's calls, texts, or app updates. To maintain your device, charge it regularly, typically every 5 days, and gently clean the band and tracker with a soft, damp cloth. This keeps your Luxe looking great and functioning optimally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.